Welcome to that. Today we're doing something that most people don't even use anymore. We're doing coins! Everything has gone digital, so people are using their cards and their cards. Not too many people use coins and cash anymore, but we still have some of them left. Today we'll be taking a look at a penny. Check that. May you have it, you may have it. And we have quarters and nickels. You guys share those coins, yeah. Some people may or may not know this, but on the Lincoln penny, there's a small little statue of Lincoln inside the monument. So we'll be taking a look at him there. These little critters are fascinated by coins, let me tell you. Primitive people like shiny things.
Can you find the sneaky man?
We're gonna search and find that sneaky man right now. 5X, here we come.
I know where he is. He's right there.
Hey, you found it! Wow, look at Abraham. His name is Abraham Lincoln. Can you say Abraham Lincoln?
Abraham Lincoln.
Whoa, that's awesome. So Abraham Lincoln was the USA boss. He was the boss of USA during a very turbulent period in American history. Turbulent means
Then
that
we have to take those into the shower.
he wants to take the coins into the shower.
Of course you can.
Sure, why not? Yeah, during a very turbulent means that it was a lot of chaos and it was stormy and he had to make sure the USA country was okay. What's your favorite part of that? He's sitting. He is sitting. But let's get a little bit closer, guys, because I want to check out this Abraham Lincoln statue in New York. 10X. Here we come. Whoa, there he is now. What do you see? Abraham Lincoln. But what in particular do you see? Do you see his head? He's sitting down. You see his knees and his shoulders. Abraham Lincoln was a very tall man. How do you get tall?
Drink lots of milk.
If you drink milk, you'll be tall. Yeah, he was a very tall individual for his time. Wow, look at him there. So there's 10X, guys. Let's go to 20X. Let's try to zoom in on his head. Here we go, 20X. Whoa! I have to say, it does look slightly creepy. Is it a little bit scary? He's faceless. He doesn't have a face. Where are his eyes?
He doesn't have that.
Where is his mouth?
He doesn't have that.
Where is his nose?
He doesn't have no.
That's right.
All the things are
All the things are
gone.
gone. Wow, awesome. High five. He doesn't have a face. He's just a statue on a penny. That's an incredible machining job, folks. For them to be able to imprint that small little statue on the penny, that's amazing. These critters are just fascinated and obsessed with these coins. Leave them be, folks. Leave them be. So there's 20X. Let's go one step deeper, guys. 50X, the final frontier. Here we Oh my gosh, his head is really big now. Does he have a brow? Does he have an ear?
Does he have an eyelash?
No. It's just a statue of a man, Abraham Lincoln. Wow. So what was your favorite part of the Abraham Lincoln penny?
Because you gave me 3 coins.
And 3 coins?
Look at that.
Yeah, that's a quarter. Yeah. What's your favorite part of these
Here's
coins?
a nickel.
Good. Yes, but what is good about them? Why do you like them?
Yeah.
Because it's brown. Whoa, you like the penny because it's brown.
Silver and a little bit of gold.
Oh, those are all good reasons to like coins. And you can buy gummies and candy with those coins. Most people today just use a card. That's it. Anywho, folks, there you have it. Thank you for joining us as we explore the Abraham Lincoln penny. Come back with us next time when we
Explore that